Hey guys, it's Steven. Just wanted to give a quick overview of the macro markets. It's been about 11 days since my last video. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and start off with the bond market, because when you're looking at the markets, this is where you really need to pay attention. So, where we left off on the first here, um, I had this pattern play out where we have a bullish divergence and we moved up here with some money coming into the bond market. And since then, as you can see, a lot of money has come out of the bond market. So to me, this is a clear signal that the market is looking for the interest rates to continue higher. So this could continue all the way up to 3%. So the way I look at it is there's really no chance we're going to be coming back down into these 2% levels again. So we're going to be staying above this 2% range. And yeah, we could go all the way up to a 3% interest rate here. And how will that affect the market? Well, as you can see right now, it's definitely affecting the market. If you look at the S&P 500, a lot of money coming out of the market here and into, it looks like the dollar. So there's some safety here. As we know, all fiat currencies are basically on their way to zero right now. So the dollar is just kind of the best fiat currency for the moment. But yeah, definitely want to keep an eye on where the money is going to be heading here in the bond market. Maybe we'll find some support here soon. But yeah, this is definitely kind of a danger sign. We want to see a little bit more stabilization. So we could easily just kind of bounce around for a little bit here. But overall, obviously, this did affect the crypto market. So went from a little bit of a risk on phase, so now we're on a risk off phase. So we left up on the 1st of April here, and the price was about 45,000, 46,000. And as you can see with the monthly pivot chart, we had this crossover here. If you look at the Fisher transform indicator here, it started to cross over at the beginning of the month. So this downturn was pretty easily recognizable for most people. And we had the Bitcoin event in Miami and a lot of crypto hype. And what we tend to see when we have these events is people, they kind of raise the price higher, so people buy in, and it kind of adds some exit liquidity. So that's what we're seeing here. We're definitely seeing a shakeout. So yeah, so we moved towards the central pivot, which acts as the magnet, and now we've actually reached the first support for the month, which is at $39,000 here. And my long support here, which I always look to accumulate, and I feel like this is a very key level, is between 34,000 and 37,000 approximately. So we certainly can easily come down and test this $37,000 Bitcoin. And I wouldn't have any problem with that. What we could see is kind of a move below support and then have that be used kind of as a catapult higher. So we'll definitely look for that, maybe a slight drop higher, and then kind of have some volume in these areas here. So to finish off here, we have the Ethereum chart. So I went ahead, if you watched my previous video, I told you I would make a trading view chart that we could keep track of. And this is what I had before. So we had this central pivot here, and it obviously acted as resistance. So yeah, right now we're at the monthly central pivot. We have the support right at this $25,000 area here. So similar thing where we can see maybe a little price drop below, and then use this central pivot to have a kind of a spring up higher. And yeah, just wanted to make a quick video with that. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll catch you later.